These are my friends. This is called Rani, and that is a little cheeky Bum Bum. Hello. Come on. Come on. Are you a little jumper? Are you a little jumper? Huh? Are you a little jumpy boy? Hmm? Are you a cheeky boy? My phone. Excuse me. My phone. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da! Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da! Come on. Come on, you cheeky bum. Come on, you cheeky bum. What are you doing? Oh, 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 oh. Hello. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Roro, look at the monkey. Look at the monkey here, Rohan. Rohan, Roro, look at the monkey. There's a baby one. There's a little mummy also there. That's a mummy here and there's a baby here. You see? He's my friend. He's my friend. Very, very friendly one. Hello. Hello. They are very calm. She's very beautiful and calm and very friendly. Playing with my bands, all the bruise. Hey, hey. You little cheeky chow. You're a little cheeky chow. Hello. Hello. Not my phone. Not my phone. No. Not my phone. Not my phone. Hmm? What are you doing? What are you doing, you little cheeky monk? What are you doing? Come on. Did you say that? Did you say that? Did you say that? Did you say that? Huh? What are you doing there? What are you doing? I can see you. I can see you there. You fiddle, fiddle, fiddle boy. There's the morning time, they arrive all here and they're just playing. I gave her already few bananas, she enjoyed. Come on. Hello, biscuit. You want to have a biscuit? You want a biscuit? Hmm? You. Wow.